Hi lovely people, I'm Kari and welcome to today's video. I'm so excited because I'm finally sharing my very first Christmas June journal with you. I made it with lots of love and joy. I can't wait to use. So here it is, my first Christmas June journal. If you'd like to see how I made it step by step, make sure to watch until the end of the video. I created this journal for the Winter Journal Challenge hosted by Kay Creates. I will leave a link to her YouTube channel in the description. I found her channel a few weeks ago. I fell in love with her June journals. She's so creative. She's been doing this winter challenge for a few years now and she will be posting new prompts again this year, so I'm all ready and super excited to join in. Just a little note, I don't sell the things I make. I don't have Etsy shop or something like that, and my videos aren't sponsored. Most of my supplies are from Temu because they are affordable. I just love what I do and I love filming these videos. It's like my me time, a way to relax and take a break from everyday stress. Sometimes it's not easy to film regularly because you know how it is with a toddler at home. I just enjoy sharing that I create with you here on YouTube. And please, if you are watching until this point, like the video and leave me a comment. It helps my channel to grow and reach more lovely people. Thank you so much for being here. Enjoy the video.